When I started out creating content, I was told that a video for everybody is a video for nobody. Audience is the most important thing when we're storytelling. Doesn't matter if we're telling a huge story in a Hollywood feature or we're telling a short story in a private video message on LinkedIn. We need to know who the audience are, what their pain points are, and what they want. Welcome to this week's weekly wisdom video from SEMrush. I am Dom O'Neill and I run a company called Vlogify, and I help businesses make more money using video strategy. One of the strategies I like to use is nanocasting. And so it's sending private video messages to people we know, who like us, who trust us, who already buy from us. So we're sending private messages to those people, saying the right things at the right time to create a conversation. We're not selling, we're creating conversations which can lead to sales. So for most businesses, especially SMEs, 80% of the income each year will come from 20% of the clients. So that 20%, they are the superstar clients. Those are the clients I encourage my personal clients to do more business with. It makes so much more sense. Obviously getting new clients is excellent, but making the most out of our current superstar clients makes perfect sense. They already know us, they already like us, they already trust us. They already have payment processes set up so they can do business with us easily. So it's all about creating content specifically for individuals who are our superstar client. The best way to send these videos is in private messenger, and my clients get really good returns with LinkedIn private messenger. So these days you can actually attach videos directly to LinkedIn private messenger. If your video is under 1 minute long, you can send videos within private messages, which is great. You're not having to attach a link to YouTube. So obviously we're not wanting to spam our superstar clients. They are our superstars. We have good relationships with them. We know them for a while and they give us quite a bit of our income. So we don't want to spam them. We don't want to put them off. And so a really good way of getting engagement is to ask for their opinion. Yeah, ask for their opinion on this video. So for example, I've worked with clients who have created a new product which their superstars haven't bought yet. So this is the message they sent with the video. It was asking an opinion. So they said hello, obviously, and then they asked for an opinion. I've created this new product. I have this new video explaining the product. Could you take some time and give me your opinion on the video? People like being asked for their opinions. It shows that they're important and it shows that you respect them. Another great thing about asking a question and asking an opinion is you're turning your audience from passive into active. Yes, they're much more likely to engage with that content because you have asked them a question rather than just shown them a video. Usually because you and your superstar client know each other well, they will get back to you and they will give you some kind of feedback. So it kind of comes in three ways. They either give you feedback and that's it, and that's fair enough. Feedback's always useful. Or they might say to you, and I've seen this many times before, this isn't right for me, but actually I know someone who would be right for. What you want them to do is connect you to the third party. So this is why LinkedIn is so good for this strategy, because they can literally directly connect you. Again, if you've got a good relationship with these people, there's a good chance that they will help you with that. Third part is my favorite part. When they get back to you, you've educated your audience that you do something and they didn't know that you did that. Right? And then that starts a conversation. Now you may not get the sales straight away, but it starts the conversation. They now know that you do something which can make their life easier, which can make their business run better. We are creating private video content for our superstar clients. We are finding out their pain points and creating content which shows that we can fix those pain points. We are sending those messages at the right time of year. We are sending them in private messages, and we are asking questions and asking for advice. We're not just sending out messages. We're not spamming. We're building relationships. We're creating conversations, and those conversations can then lead to more sales. Knowledge is power. You're giving your superstar clients more knowledge about what you do and how you can help them. If you have any questions, always love to chat. I'm on LinkedIn all the time. Just search me. I am Dom O'Neill, the vlogging guy. Thank you very much for listening. Take care.